near and forgive stall.
Bob recycles what he can and sells the veg he grows.
Mrs. Juniper, she keeps her cafe on the go.
Sorry about that, but we've had to halt programming due to unforeseen circumstances. All BBC channels have now been merged to issue this emergency broadcast for the
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Williamson County, northeastern Travis County, northeastern Bastrop County, central Lee County, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Pflugerville, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tennis ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Austin, Pflugerville, Elgin, Giddings, Hutto, Manor, Fedor, Page, Circle D, KC Estates, Camp Swift, Copeland, Knob Springs, Serban, Rice's Crossing, Blue, McDade, Cedar Hills, Lowbow, Hills, and Lincoln. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. Large hail and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by